Sanibonani, igama uqondile kwaDlodloyi from Dlodloyi Media. Yami imibuzo mbili nje lula kakhulu. Bengicela ukubuza ke ku-Commander uNhlamulo ukuthi njengoba umkhonto wesizwe wenza kahle ku-2024, KZN yawina yaba number 1, Impumalanga baba number 2. Mawubuka ngendlela kwenza ngakhona izinto manje, usengaqoqozela yini ukuthi umuntu avotele umkhonto wesizwe? And umkhonto wesizwe usaseliqembu elilungele ukukhulula umuntu omnyama. Umbuzo wokugcina uthi mawubuka i-National High Command ingabe nayo i-capacity yokuhola lo mkhumbi omkhulu kangaka omkhonto wesizwe?
National High Command, what is it?
They still National High Command, they have a capacity to lead this big party.
No, thank you. Sorry, I just forgot this. Did you still understand that you're the signatory of MK Party, Parliament, and in IEC? Have they approached you to remove your name? If they have, will you be removing it? What does this actually mean? Does it mean that you can still continue to say who must go to Parliament and who must not go to Parliament? And also, on the removal of Mabatu, do you guys feel that, I know that she's viewed mostly aligned to you, do you feel that the removal was also a bit questioned? Thank you.
Can I answer that question? Yeah. The last one.
Thank you very much. It's Morgan again from Sunday World. There is a question that I asked at the press conference of the MK, I think it was on Thursday, on the issue of Hillcrest. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any response from that. I just need to find out from you, dude. Maybe if you can explain to us what is really happening at Hillcrest. Who are those people at Hillcrest? Who are discussing you? And what was the purpose and all that, Because I couldn't get an answer there. Maybe since you are here, you can explain to us what is really happening in Hillcrest, and then what is the agenda about you and other people within MK. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It's Wiganyo, MDN TV. My first question is in connection with your expulsion. Does it exposes a deeper faction within the MK? And my last question is in relation to the next local government election. Will voters have confidence in the MK, especially what is going on now? Thank you.
Ngibingelele okhulumayo uSiphiwe from one of my TikTokers omkhonto wesizwe. Bengicela ukubuza ukuthi kule media briefing ebesinayo Nhlamulo and Dudu ukumuva when umuzi ebe under umshini or bengekho emshinini, because what I know uma uzomuva umuntu esibhedlela umhambisa kwesinye isibhedlela uma under umshini kufanele asebenzise i-ambulance enomshini. Thank you.
Thank you, Khawelo Magolego from UFM. Are you able to give an indication whether you'll be seeking political refuge elsewhere? EFF, I've seen the flirting online with Juju, EFF, my boy, or any of them, or even launching your own. Thank you.
You want to respond to political refuge and the Hillcrest?
think I'll start with, did I call President Zuma to wish him a happy Father's Day? You were late, we did actually start with that. But President Zuma, what's the time now? I don't think his day hasn't really started yet, so we'll catch him a bit later on the phone. And have I had a sit down with him? No, we haven't had a sit down yet. I'm scheduled to be with him from next week, so we'll probably have a discussion about it then. When it comes to the signatories in Parliament and IEC, I think this is when we start asking the question, where were you? Because at the initial stages of MK, we ran into a lot of problems like Jabulani Khumalo. So there were many things that were done, many decisions that needed to be taken that the people that weren't there have no idea of. And one thing that we've always done is whoever comes in, we always openly say, we've been here, ask us what you need, we're willing to give you all the information that you have. If they had come to us with information on why I held all these positions is, when we first got to Parliament, it was myself and Comrade Seat at that time. We were the signatories there. They were not there, they couldn't be. It's impossible. And when it comes to IEC, this is when we were fighting Jabulani Khumalo, and at that time it was the NIC, which was the National Interim Corps, took the decision in a meeting in our Hyde Park headquarters at that time, which was my house. And I remember the NTG, which was the son, Sithe was also there from Sithe. They suggested my name. I did not. Can I carry on? But I'll just speak loud. So yeah. Carry on. I can just speak loud. Hello. Okay. Yeah, so in that meeting with the National Interim Corps, the decision was taken there. We signed the papers there. I remember President being over my shoulder. Even Jabulani Khumalo was in that meeting. So it's not that I woke up and secretly went to do all these things. Not at all. They must come and ask, because where were you? With regards to Hillcrest, I think all I'll say on that is, I'm trying to remember the comrades' names. Comrade Tony Yangeni, Comrade Datin Tleko, Comrade Brian Molefe, Comrade Nomvalo, the SG. They might be able to tell us a little bit more about that, because I think that's even where the finance policy was done. Maybe when you find them, you can ask them. Thank you.
I think on the question of, is there a concerted effort to remove us and who those individuals are, you just heard the response. I'll get Ayanda to answer on the moving of Muzi. Political refuge, no. Like we said, there's no ways we'll be part and parcel of giving birth to a